Welcome back to the channel, guys. 297 Mods here, back with another video for you today. And today's video was actually recorded last week. I was very busy with work. I had to go out of town. That's why I have this Camry here. It's a nice little car, does not drive like a 392. So I missed driving my Widebody Challenger this last few days, but we're back. I'm about to drop off the rental, then I'll be back. I'm gonna wash the car, give it some love, and then drive a little bit. Now, if it's your first time watching one of my videos, please subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on Instagram, and we are out. Okay guys, just got here. We're here at Carson Auto Care. You can see here we're in the North Dallas area, close to 635 and 75, actually, pretty much in the DFW. So we got here Denver, who did a great job on my car. We got him right here.
What's up, y'all?
Good. So as I show you guys, I'm gonna drop a picture here from what the dent looked like. We got a beautiful shop. You can see he's working, doing his thing. And if you look here, you can barely see there's anything. It's not gonna be perfect, but man, for me that's more than perfect, because I don't see it. It's on my driver's side. I saw it every day for the last few weeks, and that's something that bugged me. I had a few rock chips that he polished out for me, which came out pretty nice too. So can't wait to drive this. You know, dropping your car off with somebody doesn't feel great all the time, but he's a good guy. You can trust him with your car and get into better light. So, and he did a wonderful job. He got a very tight schedule, so if you want to do something, give them a heads up so he can tell you which day you can bring your car, and then he'll go from there.
Yes, sir.
Anything you want to say for him?
Nah, man, my love for cars shows, man. This car's a beautiful car, great guy. If you guys ever need us, look us up, Carson Auto Care, North Dallas.
Perfect. I will leave the link down in the description. You can find him on Facebook, where I've actually found him. But do you have Instagram also?
Instagram also, it's Carson
Okay.
Auto Care as well.
I will leave all the information down to the description. Okay, we're gonna roll out now. Okay guys, this is the next day. If it's your first time watching one of my videos, this is my beautiful garage. I've restored it pretty much completely. I did the whole walls. I even did this whole shelving. I have separate videos how I did everything. I also installed this hose reel up here. Pretty nice and neat system. I did the whole illumination, which was fairly easy and very inexpensive. So this is my 2021 Widebody Dodge Challenger Scatpack. You can see how nice the light looks up here. Now, yesterday when I picked up the car, thank God everything is back nice and neat. Thanks to Denver from Carson Auto Care. You guys can look it up on Facebook, Instagram. I will leave his information down into the description. Today, we're not done giving some love to the car, because the door panels will have illumination from on the floor. From this, I got it from Amazon. It's supposed to give the Scatpack logo illuminated on the floor, just like Corvettes comes with them standardly. So let's see how it is. Let's open this baby up, and it should be a quick install. This is what we're gonna install. Wilnara 3D OEM shadow light. It's not specifically for Challenger. You can also use it on your Charger. Let's open it up. It's not too expensive, good reviews, and guys, if you click on the link, that will give me a very small commission if you buy it. And let's see how the package comes. I got here the installation. Should be pretty straightforward to replace it, nothing too crazy. It says here the left and the right side, so that's pretty much it. I don't think there's anything else in here. Nope. So let's get to the car. Okay, I'm gonna do the right side of the car first. Passenger side, left side must be always the driver side. Now down here, let me see, there's the light. As soon as you're gonna work on it, try to be fast. Don't let this sucker thing light up because it's gonna get pretty hot. So let me close it, get all the tools, and then we'll get going. Okay guys, this is gonna be a very quick and easy swap install, however you want to do it. You're gonna grab one of these plastic thingies from Dash or whatever you have from radio. I mean, just to avoid scratching your door pretty much. So you want to hold it here on this side, and then there will be like a little push pin thing here, and grab your flat-headed screwdriver and push it out. There it is. It pops out pretty easy. This black thing, it's hot, so watch out. There's a little white pin or clip right in there, so that's, you want to push it in and pull it out at the same time. Whoa, it's hot. There we go. Very easy. Grab it on the plastic clear side, not on the black side. The black side is hot. Now I'm gonna replace it. There's only one way it can actually go in, so you're gonna push it in, make sure it's secure, and then same thing, aim on the floor. I'm not gonna show you guys how it looks now because it's not dark enough, and you're gonna pretty much slide it back in. That's how easy the install goes. Now I'm gonna wait for it to get a little bit darker outside, and then I'm gonna record a clip. See you in a few more hours. It is finally night time. Let's see the results. Let me turn the lights off. Oops, it's pretty dark. Wow, look at that. It shines pretty nice. Let me get closer to get it sharp on camera. Wow, it's pretty neat. Very, very, very nice illumination. Let me turn the lights back on. Man, definitely worth it. Wow, look at this, even with the light on. It actually shines pretty nice. As I showed you guys before, if you haven't seen my garage yet, look how many lights I have. It's pretty bright, you can actually still see it. I'm not gonna do the other side because I can barely open the door on that side. Now, if it's your first time watching one of my videos, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And like always, every product I use, I will leave the link down in the description. And also follow me on Instagram. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Out.